Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'll be going over the best optimizations and tweaks to help you boost your FPS and reduce your input delay in Valorant. These optimizations are going to help you make your game much more snappier and more responsive. We're going to be going over keyboard optimizations and a lot of hidden registry tweaks that are going to help you climb the ranks faster in Valorant. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's try to get this video to 10 likes and help me reach my 4K subscribers goal. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. The first thing you guys will need to do is download this file from the first link in the description, which will take you to my Discord server. Now here in my Discord server, you will need to verify your account, and after you have verified your account, go to the free tweaks and you'll find the download link here with the video's thumbnail, so it's easier for you to find. Now after you guys have downloaded the pack, just go ahead and double click on it and open it. Now we got a lot of tweaks here to go over, but the first tweak here is a must do, which is creating a restore point. Now just double click on it, make a restore point, right click, run as administrator. So a restore point is basically just creating a snapshot of your Windows current files and settings, just in case you want to go back to that same version after these tweaks, because we're going to be changing some minor stuff in your Windows to help you boost your FPS and reduce your input delay. So here, what you'll have to do is write 1 to make a restore point and press enter. Now wait for it to make a restore point. Now after it has done creating a restore point, just press any key to exit. And if you want to go back to that same restore point we just created, just double click on this again, write 2, which is user restore point, and press enter. Now when this page opens up, just press and choose a different restore point, next, and choose the restore point which has the same date and time of when you're watching this video. It's pretty self-explanatory. Now just press on it and press next, finish, and press yes here, and it's gonna start doing the system restore. Now I don't need to do the system restore, but press any key to continue and exit out of this. Now go back and go to clean useless files. Now this is just this cleanup. It's gonna clean some of the temporary files and empty your recycle bin while cleaning some of the old Windows that might be installed on your PC. Now here you want to make sure to select everything here, press on OK, delete files, and wait for it to be running in the background. Now while this is running in the background, go to completely optimize your PC. Now this will take you to my Discord server. Now if you're willing to reach your PC's maximum potential and hopefully optimize your game's performance and have a smoother gameplay, then my premium tweaks are there to help you out with over 7+ optimizations to help you reach the optimal performance and the smoothest gameplay experience in any game from Fortnite to Valorant. Now if you're willing to buy my premium tweaks, go ahead to my Discord server and create a ticket, and I'll be there with you to help you out. Now let's go back to the tweaks. Now for the next file here, we have disable useless services. Now just double click on it. First thing we have here is disable driver searching. Now just right click, merge yes and OK. We're gonna do the same thing for the rest of the files. Now right click, merge yes and OK. Right click, merge yes, OK. Same thing goes for the last one, yes and OK. Now go back and go to enable high performance. Now double click on it. Now here we're going to disable a lot of unnecessary stuff that are preventing your laptop or your PC from reaching maximum potential. Now for the first thing here, we have disable power throttling. Now this is not recommended for laptop users since it can overheat your laptop with poor cooling, but if you're willing to risk your laptop overheating for the FPS that you're gonna get, then for sure go for it. Now for PC users, we all have good cooling, so it doesn't really matter. So just right click, merge yes and OK. Disable energy estimation, merge yes and OK. Disable energy logging, merge yes, OK. High priority is just making your processors focus on the game that's running in the current moment and ignore all the background services by not putting much energy to all of them. Max FPS, just merge yes and OK. Now go back, go to mouse and keyboard, double click on it, keyboard data queue size, merge yes and OK. Low latency mode, merge yes and OK. Maintain low latency, merge yes and OK. And for the bat file here, we're gonna right click and run this as administrator. Now here is just disabling some of the stuff that are preventing your mouse and keyboard from reaching their low input delay. Now for this thing right here, you might not know if your CPU is a high, low, or medium end. So just go to your taskbar, right click and open Task Manager. Now here, go to Performance and check if your Intel CPU is an i7, or if it's an i3 then it's a low end, if it's an i5 then it's a medium end, and if it's an i7 to an i9 then it's a high end. Now if you're i7 or above, or if you're a 3 or a 5, then here if you're a 7 you're gonna put high end, you're a 5 you're gonna put medium end, and if you're a 3 you're gonna put low end. So for me it's a 7, so I'm putting 1, enter, operation completed, press any key to continue. Now after that we're gonna go to mouse data queue size. Now just right click on it and press on merge yes and OK. Now go back, go to optimize Nvidia GPU. Now this is just for the Nvidia users. If you're not an Nvidia user you can skip ahead. Now double click on this, open the text file, copy this code right here and go to any browser you use. Now here you want to paste the link and press on enter. Now it's going to take you to Nvidia Profile Inspector. Now press on the .zip file and wait for it to download. Now after it has downloaded, just drag it to your desktop, right click and extract files. Okay. Now after it has extracted, you can go ahead and delete the zip file. Now here, double click on it and open it, right click and run this as administrator. Now here you don't really need to do anything. All you have to do is go back to our file, which is this one right here. Go to most settings and drag them onto the Nvidia Profile Inspector. Now when it says profiles successfully imported, just press on OK, apply changes, and you can close out of it. Now go back, go to power plan and double click on it. Now here I provided you with the best power plan in my opinion, which is going to help you boost your FPS by a lot. Now just copy this, you can close out of the text pad, type in CMD in your search bar, run it as an administrator. Now paste in that link or code you just copied and press on enter. Now it's gonna apply unlimited performance mode. You can close out of CMD, go to your search bar and type in power, and here is gonna say choose a power plan. Now click on it. Now you want to choose unlimited performance, just click on it, go to change power plan and set these two to never if you don't like your PC's display turning off or putting your PC to sleep after a certain amount of time. You can set these two to never. Change advanced power settings. Now go to processor power management and processor idle disabled. Set this to enable idle. Maintain processor state 100. System cooling policy, set that on active. Maximum processor state, also set that to 100. Now after that, just press on apply, OK, save changes and close out of this. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. This took me a lot of time to collect all these stuff for you guys, since it's my first time making a Valorant tutorial. But I really hope this tutorial helped you out. If it did, please make sure to subscribe and like this video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.